Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I really hope you've been enjoying my videos this year so far. I've still kept up with it. You would have seen my previous video of my makeup organising collection. I might do an updated one in a couple of weeks, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below. Today we have a review of the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. This girl has been going viral on TikTok at the moment, and I tried this foundation out the end of last year, may I add, before it was going viral. I'm going to review it for you guys today because I've been wearing it quite a lot. I wore it out on my night out the other day. So I'm filming this currently on Monday, but this will be out on Friday, so it's my foundation Friday. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more videos like this from me, and make sure to thumbs up this video if you do enjoy, and comment down below any foundations that you would like me to try out and review for you guys, because I absolutely love reviewing foundations. If you watch my YouTube channel, quite a few years ago I did like a foundation series. Foundation's just fun to try, you know. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I'm just going to go on the Laura Mercier website. They do have a concealer that's just launched. I do want to get my hands on that. Let me know if you want to see a review on that. I have a few foundations. I want to try some of the other ones. So just to start off, let's talk about the packaging. I am absolutely obsessed with the packaging. It's a frosted glass. It feels weighty, heavy. It's really, really nice and luxury. The lid is really nice as well. It's sort of like a soft matte feel. And it comes with a pump, which is amazing. And it doesn't pump out too much product, which I'll show you guys in a second. It says that it's a weightless, waterproof, long-wearing foundation that blurs the lines between makeup and skin with medium buildable coverage and 12 hours of fade-proof wear. It retails for £38 and it comes with a wide variety of shades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk a little bit more about it whilst I'm applying it. So let's start applying it. I do have the shade 3W1 Dusk. I will link this down below in the description box as well if you want to check it out. But I'm just going to pump a little bit on the back of my hand. Hopefully this doesn't go everywhere. So that's one pump. So it's not too much. This shade might look a little bit dark on my face, but I promise you it matches my body. I'm going to do 2 pumps just to start off with. And I like to take this with a brush, just personal preference. It just depends on the person. This is the Peaches and Cream PC16. It's a nice sort of domed style brush. But what I like to do is I take the product and really work it into my brush, because I feel like it gets the product distributed, is that the right word? But I'm just going to start patting this into my skin and talk to you about the product. So it's a multifunctional foundation to reveal a healthier looking complexion, featuring the perfecting colour technology to lift shallowness and dullness for cake-free, colour true wear. The auto balancing technology instantly hydrates for smoother skin and helps reduce shine throughout the day. So this foundation claims to blur the lines between makeup and skin to reveal a healthier looking complexion. The skin loving formula provides perfecting medium buildable coverage, so weightless, you'll forget you're wearing it anything at all. It's vegan, fragrance free, which is absolutely amazing for me, non-comedogenic and dermatologist tested. Outline benefits: blurs, imperfection, pores, fine lines. I do 100% agree with it blurs the pores. As you can see, my skin is glowing. Just to mention as well, I do have dry combination, sort of combination T-zone, more on my chin and around my nose. It gets a little bit oily. So I've got quite combination skin, to be honest. But this is the before and that's the after. Obviously I haven't got any tan on my face, so bear that in mind with the shade, but it matches perfectly with my neck. So it also claims that it is long wearing for 12 hours. If you have oily skin, I'm gonna say it's probably not gonna last that long because it has got a very dewy, glowy, the finish is very dewy. You might have to set it. Obviously you can cater to your own skin, absolutely fine. Clinical claims: it controls oil immediately, improves skin's texture in 6 weeks, improves hydration for 24 hours, and it's humidity, sweat and waterproof. It does say recommend to use with a foundation brush. I personally think it looks gorgeous with a brush. I think if I used it with a sponge it might make it look a little bit too not so much coverage, because it does say that it is medium buildable coverage and I completely agree with that. Like for example, I probably need a little bit more on this spot up here. I'm just going to pop this back in. But other than that, it looks really, really good. So if you are one that likes a buildable foundation, very lightweight foundation, because I cannot feel it on my skin whatsoever, then you are gonna love this. It is insane. I wore it on my night out the other night and it lasted all throughout the night. Obviously, like I said, I catered my skin makeup routine to my skin type. So that's all you need to know. You need to know your skin type and then the foundation is going to really work for you. I'm going to go off and finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back to show you how it looks on my skin. This is my makeup all done. What do you guys think? Let me zoom you in just so you can see my makeup. Let me just see if I can turn my lights down. That's not even the brightest. Oh my god. So I've turned the brightness down. Hopefully you can see it a little bit better. But how smooth does my skin look? I am absolutely obsessed with this foundation. Great start to the year with foundations. So, so good. So, what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried it or if you really want to buy it. And let me know if I've convinced you to buy it, because it is such a stunning foundation and I would recommend it to anyone. Like I said, if you've got oily skin, make sure to skin prep and prep for your skin type. That's the only tip I can give you, but it looks flawless. Also, let me know if you want a wear test, because I will be more than happy to film that. I can film it over on my TikTok maybe, and I suppose I could put it on my YouTube shorts now, which is exciting. So yeah, let me know if you want to see that down in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know that you want to see more foundation reviews from me. And if you aren't already, like I said at the beginning of the video, please consider subscribing to my channel if you want to follow my journey here over on YouTube. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!